All right, so the next part of the community in the 51501 area code that I will be discussing are the home health agencies that are available. There was two that I picked out. The first one is Comfort Keepers of Council Bluffs. Again, the address is to the right. This facility can provide care for 30 minutes a week, all the way up to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Employed there are CNAs, CMAs, LPNs, and RNs. They provide in-home care, senior care, 24-hour home care, end-of-life care, assisted living in the home. They also provide care for Alzheimer's disease and dementia. They do respite care, and they also do transitioning back home. So if you got discharged from the hospital, but you have to go to a physical therapy center such as Madonna, and then you're done at Madonna, you've recovered there, you've got the okay to go home, they'll help you transition back into that home life. Then they also do private duty nursing, and they are state licensed. The other one I decided to discuss is Recover Health. Again, the address is to the side. On hand, they have an RN case manager, a physical therapist, and an accounting specialist on hand 24/7, which I thought was super nice. And that was the only facility out of everything that I could find that had an accounting specialist on hand, because a lot of people worry about their finances and how are they going to pay this. They do skilled nursing, pediatric nursing, complex skilled hourly nursing, PT and OT, speech therapy, and home health aid services. They accept Medicare, Medicaid, insurance from the Veterans Association. They can do private and self pay as well as commercial insurance. So they're very flexible.